Hey everyone, Randy here, and welcome to The Dark Project, which is all about rekindling my passion for writing and sharing tips and tricks of an authorly flavor with all of you darklings along the way. Today's micro episode is all about phrasing. Have you ever seen a word in a book description and it automatically turned you off from wanting anything to do with it whatsoever because the implications of said word are that you are a terrible person for perhaps enjoying the exact opposite of said word? If you are an author who is publishing to make money, why would you use inflammatory language that isn't going to interest readers in purchasing your book, but is potentially going to make them turn away because of your implications that they are a bad person? You can get your message across without shaming people. And the primary inflammatory word I'm talking about here is in reference to clean romances. Clean, of course, means that there is no on-page description of intimate acts between two or more consenting adults. We get that. However, saying clean implies that any on-page description is dirty and filthy and bad, and if you indulge in smut, you are a terrible, filthy, degenerate human being. How dare you? How dare? Middle ground alternative that still gets the point across, but is still kind of meh. It's more lukewarm. It's not ice cold anymore, it's now lukewarm. Sweet romance. Same deal. No on-page visuals, which is totally fine. I, as a reader of very descriptive and graphic intimate scenes, shall we say, I might pick up a book that says that it's a sweet romance because I know what I'm in for. However, allow me to offer you a third alternative that you will also see that is much less inflammatory, but still gets the point across. And it is calling a romance closed door or fade to black. This doesn't have any moral implications tied to it. It just tells you straight up. It's like watching television prior to most television being MA, like Game of Thrones and whatnot. So of those three, clean, sweet, or fade to black, which do you find sounds the least judgmental about you as a human being and a reader? I'm willing to bet that it's probably the third option. And you know, being a visual person and a descriptive bedroom scene author, I personally prefer knowing the approximate size, shape, and veinous quality of the eggplant or eggplants in said scene. But I know that's not for everybody. However, with less inflammatory terms for romance classifications, I know what I'm in for. And might still read it, even if it's not 5 ghost pepper spicy. Maybe reconsider the moral accusations and implications in your descriptions. Or don't. But it sounds to me like you're just leaving money on the table.